Hi guys, in today's video, we'll help you find the VIN of a car. Stick around to the end of the video to find out more. Let's begin. How to find the VIN on your car. The Vehicle Identification Number, VIN, can be located in various places in a vehicle, depending on the vehicle's manufacturer and year of manufacture. Here are some steps to help you find the VIN on your car. Survey the dashboard. The VIN is often located on the dashboard on the driver's side, near the windshield. It may also be visible through the windshield from outside the car. For vehicles manufactured earlier than 1969, the VIN might not be here. So if your vehicle is a classic, check in the other locations. Look in the door jamb. The VIN is sometimes stamped on a metal tag located in the door jamb on the driver's side. You may need to open the door to see it. Examine the engine bay. The VIN may also be stamped on the engine block or other parts in the engine bay. In most vehicles, the VIN is located on a metal tag or stamping in the engine bay, often near the front of the engine or the firewall. Check the visibility of the tag or stamping, as sometimes the number may be partially obscured by engine components, such as the radiator, hoses, or air filter. You may need to remove some components to see the VIN clearly. Consult the owner's manual. The VIN may be listed in the owner's manual or on a sticker in the vehicle's documentation. Study government records. The VIN is often included in official records, such as registration and insurance documents. If you have access to these documents, check if the VIN is listed there. Check around the spare tire. Depending on the make and model of your vehicle, the spare tire may be covered by a plastic or metal cover. Remove the cover to reveal the spare tire itself. The VIN is typically stamped on a metal plate or tag located near the spare tire. It may be located inside the trunk lid, under the carpeting, inside the rear quarter panel, or on the spare tire cover itself. Check the rear wheel well. The exact location of the VIN in the rear wheel well can vary depending on the make and model of the vehicle, but it's usually found on a metal tag or stamping in the well near the rear axle. Scrutinize the steering wheel column. In most vehicles, especially older vehicles, the VIN is located on a metal tag or stamping near the bottom of the steering wheel column, close to where the column enters the dashboard. Some tags or stampings may be partially covered by the steering wheel cover, or other components. You may need to move the steering wheel or remove the cover to see the VIN clearly. How to verify whether the VIN is authentic. Verifying the authenticity of a vehicle's VIN, Vehicle Identification Number, is an important step when buying a used car, as it helps to ensure that the car is not stolen or salvaged. Here are some steps to verify whether a VIN is authentic. Investigate the VIN against official government documents. The National Insurance Crime Bureau, NICB, provides a free VIN check service that allows you to scan the VIN against its database of reported stolen vehicles. You can also scrutinize the VIN against the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, database, which contains information about recalls and safety complaints. Verify the VIN against the car. The VIN should match the VIN on the car's title and registration documents. Additionally, the VIN should match the VIN on the car itself, which is often stamped on the locations discussed earlier. If the VIN is inconsistent across all documents and locations, it may indicate a problem with the car's past. Look for inconsistencies in the VIN, such as incorrect characters, letters in the wrong sequence, or a lack of check digit, the last digit of the VIN. Inconsistencies may indicate that the VIN has been altered, which is a red flag for a potentially fraudulent VIN. Inspect the car for signs of tampering. Look for signs of tampering, such as mismatched VINs on different parts of the car, signs of paint overspray or replaced parts. These may indicate that the VIN has been altered or that the car has been in an accident. Get an expert to scrutinize the vehicle. Consider getting a professional inspection of the car, which can provide a more detailed assessment of the car's past details and overall condition. A professional inspector can verify the authenticity of the VIN and provide additional information about the car. What to do if you can't find the VIN. If you can't find the VIN on a car, follow these additional steps. Contact the manufacturer. If you still can't find the VIN in the locations mentioned above, you can contact the manufacturer for assistance. They may also be able to provide you with the VIN or suggest other ways to locate it. Have an expert help you. If all other methods fail, consider getting an expert to assist you by inspecting the car. An inspector may be able to locate the VIN and provide additional information about the car's condition. That's all for this video. For any queries or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.